Fairmate, an Indian multinational company, is one of India's top manufacturers of construction chemicals, providing cost-effective solutions and world-class services to customers across the globe. Fairmate introduces EPO AQUA SL. It is water vapor permeable epoxy advanced resin-based flooring system, low odor, low emission, hard wearing, waterproof surface with good mechanical and chemical properties and a wide color spectrum. It shall be applied at the minimum thickness of 2.0 to 4.0 mm. EPO AQUA SL is used for public buildings, hospitals, paper mills and metal industries, logistics sites and warehouse production areas, workshops, areas with moisture-sensitive substrates. Advantages of EPO AQUA SL: high water vapor permeability, prevents osmotic blistering of resin-based coatings over damp substrates, available in wide range of colors, good self-leveling properties and jointless, excellent bond to green or hardened concrete whether damp or dry. For more information about product, please call toll-free 1-8001-234534 or visit us at www.fairmate.com.